trust in forks. A fork in the path. Fork, hard fork, and soft fork are most common phrases uttered in the context of a blockchain. We hear, at the block 4.7 million, Ethereum did a hard fork. Beware, 2018 is a year of hard fork in Ethereum blockchain. In this lesson, we explain at high level hard and soft forks. Forks are just normal processes in an evolutionary path of the nascent technology enabling a blockchain. If robustness and trust is about managing exceptional situations, hard forks and soft forks are indeed at the front and center. We discussed chain split in the last lesson. That is a minor perturbation in the chain. Such situation is handled as a naturally expected occurrence within the blockchain. On the other hand, occasionally a minor process adjustment has to be carried out, typically by bootstrapping a new software to the already running processes. This is soft fork. For example, the script concept in Bitcoin was introduced using this method. You can think of this as a software patch or a bug fix to address an issue. A hard fork implies a major change in the protocol. For example, the recent change from Ethereum Homestead to Metropolis Byzantine version was a planned hard fork. An important note, after a hard fork, the emerging two chains are incompatible. Please be aware of this. There was an unplanned hard fork in Ethereum protocol, Ethereum Core and Ethereum Classic split, that was enacted to address a critical software issue in a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, that resulted in a multi-million-dollar heist. We'll discuss this in Course 3, where we study decentralized organizations. Let's discuss the hard fork that happened on October 17, 2017. The Ethereum hard fork was a planned fork. Here are few Ethereum improvement proposals, EIP, for this fork. Parallel processing of transactions. Proof of work consensus still stays, except that every 100 block, proof of stake consensus protocol is applied for evaluating the latter. And miner incentive was reduced from 5 ethers to 3 ethers for block creation. These are just few EIPs. You can look at the documentation for other EIPs. Summarizing, soft fork and hard fork in the blockchain world are like the release of software patches and new versions of operating systems, respectively. Forks are mechanisms that add to the robustness of the blockchain framework. Well-managed forks help build credibility in the blockchain by providing approaches to manage unexpected faults and planned improvements. We are lucky that we have a front row seat to the planned hard fork of Ethereum Homestead to Ethereum Metropolis and watch it as it plays out.